Hey, Ron.
You got one dropping off.
I'm picking up one.
Okay, what do you
Okay.
For Mr. Jack
I'll give you a call
Levito.
right back, okay?
It's a white Expedition.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
White.
Hi, Ed.
All right. Here is his ticket. If you wouldn't mind just sticking that in the Explorer.
Okay.
And then there are the keys. Did you see it anywhere?
No, I didn't look. No, I just pulled out front and locked. I'm sure
Okay.
it's probably
Yeah.
right.
You can circle. You can circle around the whole building.
Okay.
Are you in a big?
Oh, yeah.
truck? Yeah.
Big
You. Let me see what it is.
I'm driving a big
You should be fine.
flatbed.
Yeah. No, you're fine. We've got a flatbed and it'll go all the way
Does it
around.
run or?
It needs a transmission.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Always
So,
something.
Yep.
Thank you, hon.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
Steve.
Is that what kind where you want it there?
Yeah.
Back there in that hole? That's a kind of shame transmission out of this thing.
Yeah. We've kept pretty good care of it.
That's probably going to be a very expensive fix, ain't it?
Well, they said 4,000. That thing ain't worth 4,000.
No.
I'll get 2,500 for it 8 years ago. I mean,
well, you got your money out
yeah,
of it,
so I
didn't
mean,
you?
but I hate to. So I might be able to sell for maybe 1,500. I can sell to some kid, somebody that's got another transmission they can throw. I mean, the body and everything inside, everything's good. I mean,
I would think you'd probably be able to at least get $1,000 out of it at least.
I think so.
Put on Craigslist and let it go.
Yeah.
All right, let me pull forward a little bit here.
$100.
Oh yeah. And they wanted me to give you this here too.
Okay.
If I can get you sign your name on the X for me.
It still runs. Goes back and forth.
Yeah, thank you, bud.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, is that a school up there behind you?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Elementary school.
That'd be fun. Well, if you didn't have that, actually that brick wall there'd be fun. That'd be fun if it starts snowing real good.
Oh,
Just start.
I gotta fight some kids off. I'm for one who's gonna break their fucking neck.
Oh yeah, because I know if it'd be me, I'd coming down that hill.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, bud.